Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In this short video, it's just going to be a quick unboxing and install of the new GUB mobile phone holder mount. As you can see, I did order two of the phone mounts because one's going to go on my motorcycle and the other one will go on the push bike as well. Each kit comes complete with everything you need for installation, from the bolts and also the handlebar inserts depending on your handlebar diameter. The best part of this style of phone mount, because of its design, it accommodates various sizes of phones and their cases. Installation is simple. It's just one bolt that clamps it down onto your handlebar. Once you place in the inserts, depending on your handlebar width, it's just tighten that one bolt and you're good to go. So there you go, that's what it looks like mounted onto the handlebar of the motorbike. So what we'll do now, we'll jump across and we'll put the other one on the push bike. So there you go guys, that's what it looks like all set up on the bike. I did happen to take it for a quick test ride on the motorcycle and it seemed sturdy, it seemed to hold up really well, but I will keep you guys updated in future videos. So So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. See ya.